That's a bird. To noise the bird.
So much now. This would have been a big day to go on the loop also.
Yeah.
No clouds over there. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Monkey.
Monkey's there. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ah, it's a big one, huh?
Yeah, you gotta watch out for them. Sometimes
It's a
they're
chubby
mean.
one.
They just want some fruit.
Is this a boy? Oh! He's coming.
They just want some food.
Oh!
That's his warning.
Be careful yourself.
Look at the baby.
This is a baby.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for them. Sometimes they're mean.
Where's the other one?